Are you looking for how to run a simple piece of JavaScript in your Bubble app? Well, then this is the tutorial for you. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at this plugin called the Toolbox plugin. And I already have it installed. You can see just how popular it is. And go ahead and install it. And this video, what it's going to do for you, it's going to give you a step up from where you are to being able to just know what you need to do in order to run JavaScript. So what I'm going to do on this this icon here, I'm actually going to have it, when it's clicked, I want it to open something in a new window. So I'm simply going to go here and search for this run JavaScript command, and then this is where you enter in your JavaScript to be executed. So what we're going to do here is use a simple copy and pasted code from this site to give us one of the most basic JavaScript commands that we can do here, and we're just going to show off that this works, and really this video is about giving you a step up to where to put your JavaScript, how to run it in a workflow. But you can see that the power starts to come in when we can get dynamic here, so we're just going to go and find the file URL for this one, and then we can see some dynamic data inserted here, so we can start to see this type of stuff happen where it's reflecting the contents in the cells. So really quick and basic tip on how to get started putting JavaScript into Bubble. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more great tips on how to do things in Bubble.